All right, so thank you very much, everyone. So this will be the last demonstration for today, and an item is Bujin Sword Raise Buckle. So item has been released for from actually a premium Bandai series, and yeah, it's very popular. People love that in Bujin Sword. Okay, so it's been kind of hard to find these items, and so finally we did it, box one. And so I'd like to just quick demonstrations. Okay, so Bujin Sword Raise Buckle, the nice box. Okay, the side view, the back. All right, Bujin Sword Buckle. All right, so I need to open it. Maybe open here. For your difference, this is the actually open items, used items, but storekeepers just shield it again. All right, so use that knife. Just like this. Oh wow. Oh, like this. なるほど、なるほど。ちょっと大きくないか、これ。This is way too big. あ、なるほどね。Two parts. Okay. これは、抜くんだ。抜けるんだね。Alright. So we need to put the batteries there. Okay, so around how many batteries? Two cell metals. Two cell batteries. Is it on? Not sure. There's no power switch or anything. Okay. Oh yeah. I can hear the sound. Okay, so what do we do? And Bakkuru Bunri. So we need to just build up. Oh, we have the two connections here. Connect the one here to, and so we need to. Okay, there you go. And then we have a connector 2 here. こうですね。はい。こうだね。So it goes like the sliders needs to be matched here. See? Yeah. Soちょっと待ってよ。こうだよね。逆か。こうだね。That was the other side. There you go. Got it. Okay, so it's supposed to be this way. これがこうだね。So this is the right way. Okay. Now, we need this one here. This is the demonstration for Bujin Sword Buckle. And he starts attack.
Bujin sword strike.
Now next he starts attack.
Bujin sword victory.
There you have it. This was a demonstration for Bujin Sword of Bako, and the set, box set, is coming to our stores tomorrow Sunday activation at 8 p.m. Japan Standard Time. Good luck to you, and this is very rare to find these days, and so I hope you're gonna enjoy this one. Okay, so thank you very much.